If you are looking for a smartphone with the best camera quality in the mid-budget range, and you want a camera similar to the iPhones, then you must check out this Nokia smartphone. According to the information received, Nokia is going to offer great features, like the Snapdragon 8 Gen Elite in its best smartphone, along with a 250 megapixel DSLR quality camera. And its price is also very affordable. Yes, we are talking about the Nokia Turbo Pro Max 5G smartphone. In today's video, we will provide information about its full features, price, and launch date. So, let's start. Features of the Nokia Turbo Pro Max 5G. Display. Talking about the display of this amazing Nokia smartphone, you will get a 6.90-inch Full HD Plus, Super AMOLED display. It will support HDR10+, and you will also get great features like a 144 Hz refresh rate, Gorilla Glass Armor 2, an in-display fingerprint sensor, and an IP69 rating. Camera setup. This great smartphone will have a quad camera setup. The main camera will be a 250 megapixel sensor, with OIS support. In addition, there will be a 64 megapixel ultra-wide camera, a 16 megapixel macro camera, and an 8 megapixel wide camera. For selfies, there will be a 50 megapixel front camera. Operating system. This smartphone will be powered by Qualcomm's latest and most powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen Elite processor. As for the mobile operating system, it will run on Android 15. Battery backup. In terms of battery, the smartphone will feature a large 7500 mAh battery. Additionally, it will come with a USB Type-C 3.0 charging port and a 120-watt super fast charger. Price and launch date. Nokia's powerful phone is expected to launch soon in the global market. It is anticipated to be launched by the end of this year. As for the price, the initial price of the phone is expected to be around $500.